YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. I'm not sure what this is, if it's an Amazon or a website. Either or, I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link down below and the website link, which are both safe to click. And here we go. We're going to see what this is. Got a big old package. Here we go. Alright, time to open up. Oh boy, here we go. Aurzen, Google TV. Hey Google. We got the Boom Boom Mini. Boom Boom Pow. Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. You can have all your apps hooked up to this. High brightness, visible sound. 110 degrees adjustment. Your personal theater in a box. Definitely curious on how this is going to sound. Immersive streaming projector. It's like, who needs to go to the theaters anymore these days? I sure don't. But now you can have your own portable mini movie theater. Play some video games. Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, retro gaming, Sega, Dreamcast, and all that good stuff. So, all you gotta do is just hook it up. You gotta run your PC off of this. So I'm probably have to go set up my Google account. All that good stuff. Okay. That's not too bad. Not that heavy. So we got the Boom Mini Aurzen. Yep. Alright. Got this put away right there. Well, here's the lid, the cover. But make sure you take the cover off so you can actually see the picture. You'll be good to go. Oh yeah, this would probably be the best one that I have for projectors. Whoa. Whoa. Holy moly. Look at those speakers. Boom, boom. Dolby audio, so that's really good quality. Got a turn knob here. We got a box of goodies in here. Alright, as I open it up. Okay, this is the good stuff. Got the power. I got the power. Ooh, check this remote out. This one will be different than the others, which is a good thing. Nice, sleek remote. Got the Netflix and all this stuff right there, YouTube. And you got the voice activation mode. Easy peasy. Definitely excited. Check this out. We got some cleaning supplies. Get rid of the dust around the lens. And we got the bigger old brick. Oh yeah. This reminds me of the Xbox days. Alright. And of course we got the manual. I'm not going to need that right now. So we're going to do the setup and all that good stuff. Let me clean up. Alright, YouTubers, here we go. We are downstairs, got it hooked up. Look how bright that light is. Over here is going to be the HDMI, USB, all the goodies. There's a little flap right here. You can see that. You can hook up your Xbox, PlayStation, pretty much any system you have. That's volume. And here's picture quality. And now here we go. We got the college hoops on. March Madness, baby. We got this. We're moving along. Look how clear this is. Oop. You can see the sweat drip. It's amazing quality picture, guys. You can hook up your Google TV, and pretty much, like I said, all the video game systems you want, and watch any movie with Netflix and all that, Prime Video. Awesome stuff right here. Aurzen, check them out. Alright, YouTubers, see ya.